Let me introduce you to Citizen Zenshin and Hypebeast collaboration. When you first look at this partnership, you might find yourself scratching your head. On one side, you have Citizen, historic, century-old watchmaking brand. On the other hand, you have Hypebeast, global media enterprise centered on street fashion and culture. What makes this release special is that it honors two milestone anniversaries in a single watch. 20 years of hypebeast shaping global style and internet fashion trends, and 50 years citizen revolutionary eco drive technology. This exclusive release is limited to 600 pieces worldwide and retails for $625. The watch arrives in a custom designed black presentation box, complete with a metallic limited edition authentication card. My favorite part? The unique serial number on this card matches the one engraved on the watch caseback. I managed to get number 404, which I'm absolutely happy about it. Inside this watch, no wonder, is a Citizen Caliber J800 Eco Drive movement, featuring the practical day-date complication at the 3 o'clock position. No batteries, no winding. There's neither a traditional power quartz nor an automatic. Instead, it actually converts any light source into electrical energy stored with a solar cell. And the power reserve, fully charged, it can actually operate about 6 months in a total darkness while maintaining strict quartz aquaria. The movement itself, it can actually run about 10 to 20 years, and in some cases even 30. However, you're still gonna need to service some other parts of the watch, especially if you're gonna take it swimming. That's another good thing, which is the watch is crafted from super titanium, featuring a high-end Duratex platinum surface hardening finish. This makes the case 5 times more scratch and rust resistant than standard stainless steel. Because of the titanium construction, the watch feels incredibly lightweight on the wrist, easily making it stand out in the Zenshin lineup. Case diameter 39.5 mm, lug to lug 44. It got 100 meters water resistance, which means you can go straight to the shower, go swimming, go snorkeling. Citizen and Hypebeast describe dial as a monochromatic, chromed out design. Let me try to explain what it means. Monochromatic, every single element on the front of this watch shares the exact same silver grain tone rather than using contrasting colors. Chromed out, the watch embraces a fully metallic mirror-like industrial aesthetic. The brush gray silver dial face seamlessly surrounded by a highly polished reflective silver bezel, allowing the case and the dial blend together perfectly. Hour and minute hands are actually skeletonized, modern look. If you're gonna look closely, you're gonna notice two unique features, or let's call them Easter eggs. At the 4 o'clock position, the standard hour marker is replaced with a bold number 20 to celebrate a Hypebeast anniversary. And the Hypebeast logo is printed right in the center, underneath the hands, blending into the silver background. In the end, it's a sports watch which delivers a very clean, minimalistic look. But there is two things which could be improved for my liking. So the clasp feels cheap and would be nice to have a sliding micro adjustment because personally my wrist gets swollen very often. Why I think this collab is important, I believe that by collaborating with a streetwear media giant, Citizen is actually successfully shifting its image from a traditional brand associated with older generations to that trendy name which appeals to the younger buyers. This limited edition piece introduces passion-focused youth to high-quality, durable Japanese horology. It perfectly bridges the gap between modern streetwear culture and the classic watch collecting. Thank you for watching. If you managed to watch it till the end, please subscribe and see you on the next one.